Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I have the new Finery fragrances from Target, and I had to stop by, give you all my thoughts. I've been rocking and rolling with it for about an entire week, so I have some thoughts and I had to come to my family with my thoughts. So if you have not heard of Finery, these are fragrances that you can find at Target. They are, to me, affordable, right? They're like $29.99, so I feel like, $30 plus tax. Comparison to other fragrances, I feel like this is a affordable option for you, fam. So let's get into it. So I have the new Pistachio Please, and I also have the new Rouge. Okay, so these are the newer fragrances from Finery. So let's start off with Pistachio Please. When I first smelled Pistachio Please, honey, I am going to be very honest with you all. When I first sprayed, I got Kayali's Yum Pistachio Gelato. I did. At initial spray, when I sprayed Finery, that is the scent that came to mind. No lie, that is what I got at initial spray. It smells almost identical at the spray. When we talk about the dry down, that's when it, to me, and on my body chemistry, that's when it got different, right? I will say this is, to me, okay, a lighter version of this. I feel like, because my bottle has sat for a little bit, and again, this is like one of these fragrances that you have to allow to sit and really develop, and it develops into something uber good, okay? But my bottle has been sitting. I feel like this is a heavier scent than what you get from Pistachio Please from Finery. But I am not saying that this is not good. This is beautiful. So if you're looking for a pistachio type of fragrance, this is a really good option. And if you did not get Kayali's Yum Pistachio Gelato, I feel like you would adore this. You know, I feel like it rolls together and paired together, chef's kiss. Like, put these together. You know, Kayali is definitely a layering type of fragrance, but putting these together, oh, it's amazing. Okay, now I will say longevity. Let's talk about it. Pistachio Please did not give me a lot of longevity. I will say it probably gave me about 3 hours. You know, being very honest, like after a while, I didn't smell it. It held very, very close to skin. Like I had to dig my nose into my skin in order to smell it, and I oversprayed. I absolutely did overspray, but I had to dig my nose to get the full smell. However, this is so beautiful, okay? So I would highly recommend, if you're looking for a pistachio fragrance with a great kind of gourmand scent, very food-like. Like it definitely gives me like this milky, food, fluffy type of scent. If you're looking for anything like that, I would highly recommend this. This is a really good one. I am glad that I've added this to my Finery collection. You all know I love a good Finery. So I'm reading off the back of the box, and it says it has pistachio milk, fluffy vanilla, and tonka bean. Doesn't that just sound ooey gooey, like melting in your mouth, like fluffy vanilla? Who doesn't want to smell like that? If you don't want to smell like that, you probably on the wrong channel, because I love to smell like that. But when I say this is a beautiful purchase, I would highly recommend. I will say my favorite from Finery is I'm Musk. I love that fragrance. Oh my goodness, the white bottle. You all know I've been into my musk type of vibes. I absolutely adore that fragrance. But until she rolled on in. Let's talk about the new Rouge, shall we? Yeah, let's get into it. So come close, family. Let me tell you about this beauty. Should I say this is my favorite? I think this might be my favorite on top of I'm Musk. When I tell you, I thought this was good, but this is amazing, okay? The longevity of this, unmatched. This lasts my whole workday. Plus. I was still smelling this. And you know what? I don't know. I do not think it has like a marshmallow or a stickiness note in it. But when I say it gives you like this candy marshmallow base, okay? You are going to hear a lot of people say, oh, this is like Ariana Cloud, sis. This is like Baccarat 540. You're going to hear a lot of people probably say that. When I say it has that like that essence, like that vibe of those fragrances, yes. But I have Ariana, the Intense. I have the original. But the Intense, when I sprayed these two together, it did not give me the one and the same, right? It did not. There is something in this that brings it out more. And I was like, what is it? I looked at the back of this box. You know what this box says? Golden saffron, amber resin, and sandalwood. I said, unmatched. I think that saffron is just doing it. I don't know what the golden is. I don't know if the golden is filled with marshmallow and a little bit of a candy marshmallow. Oh my gosh, I don't know if that's the golden in it, but this is so good and sexy, and I would highly, recommend. Out of these two, I would go here first, sis. Especially for Valentine's Day, if you're looking for something for Valentine's Day and throw that sexiness on it and let him or she know what they working with, I would definitely go to this. This is so good. And for $29.99, you heard me, $29.99, I don't know why we not getting this. I don't know why you're not going to Target right now, okay? You bring me into Target with your phone or something, and you go and pick this up. This is amazing. I don't know if the girls are talking about this, but they should. But it don't even matter. Yo sis is letting you know the real tea. Now, I will say, okay, I had to dig a little deep because I was like, this reminds me of something, beyond the Baccarat 40, beyond the Ariana Cloud, beyond those things. I was like, this reminds me of something. I went into the lab, and when I say Red Temptation Winter from Zara, if you don't have it, I don't know why not. But, oh my goodness, these, if I was to say something is a dupe, these are dupes of each other, okay? So, Red Temptation Winter from Zara, the notes are, we have saffron, sweet notes, okay? So is that the golden saffron? I don't know. Middle notes, we have jasmine, fruit. Base notes, we have cedar, patchouli. I said it has sandalwood in this one, cedar and patchouli in this. These, okay, I don't know what the people are saying out there, and it really don't matter because your sis is telling you that now these are the dupes, okay? When I say though, this is my top now. Like, I'm shocking, okay? I know it's not a word. I am shocking that this has become a favorite. I wore this for the 2 days, and then the rest of it was this. It was about the new Rouge fragrance, okay? And to add, okay, onto it, I got compliments from this beauty, okay? I was smelling so good. I got compliments on top of compliments. There was one day that I was like, is this about to go onto the tray? Like, this might need to go on my tray for the month with my red and pink vibes. Like, this might need to just interrupt the tray, because that is how many compliments I got, and I was loving it. I was loving it, okay? I now have to travel in to the workhouse. Don't remind me. To the workhouse, right? To be in office. Okay. So now I gotta be around the people. When I say compliments on top of compliments on top of compliments, it was amazing. Love this down. This is one to get. This one, again, this is cute. So if you're looking for a pistachio fragrance, this is cute. Now, do these lean feminine or masculine? I will say both, to me, lean more on the feminine side. I will have to say that, brothers. Like, this is definitely gives me, you know, for my sisters, okay? For my nieces. I would definitely say this would have to lean like feminine to me. However, ... if you like that type of vibe, my brothers, then you would be good, okay? That's my thoughts, all right? Please let me know. Have you been able to pick up these new beauties, okay, from Finery from Target? Go on to your local Target and hook yourself up, sis, all right? Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough to, yeah. Your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.